Hey guys, Frank Amador here with Farmers Insurance Group. I'm your local farmers agent in Santa Fe Springs. I want to share some information with you regarding what a homeowner's policy is, fire policy, and a hazard policy. A lot of us with mortgages know that the lender always requires you to have one, but do we really know what the policy covers, what it has, and what it entails? Well, there's a couple of parts to your homeowner's policy, and the first part is actually called dwelling. Dwelling is the cost of reconstruction for your property in the event that the property were to completely burn to the ground. And then that's how much money is allocated to rebuild your property. In the state of California, cost of reconstruction is about $140 to $150 a square foot, depending on the type of property you have and the location. Easy way to calculate that is just to take the square footage of the property and multiply it by 140 to 150. You might want to check your local area and see what the average cost of reconstruction is there. The second part of a homeowner's policy is personal property. Your TVs, your clothing, your stereos, furniture, anything inside the property that can be picked up and moved, that's your personal property. All that stuff can be covered in the event that a fire takes place or some kind of loss takes place. Those items can then be replaced. Next part is loss of use. During the time that your home is being rebuilt, you might have to stay in a hotel room, or rent another house, an apartment, and there's money within your policy set aside to cover this expense. The next part of your policy is actually liability. Liability is in the event that someone comes on your property and hurts themselves and sues you, then you are protected. The average liability policy in California is about $300,000. And then there's also on rental properties there's loss of rents, which means that the landlord would go ahead and recoup up to 12 months of rents for the property while it's being rebuilt and are unable to maintain a tenant on there. Hopefully that information is useful and helpful in understanding what your policy covers. If you want more information or would like for me to review your personal policy, you can give me a call. Our number here at this agency is 888-316-3526, 888-316-3526. Thank you for watching. Until next time.